Hi, today I'm talking to you about the BBQOVN Smart Thermometer. This is really cool because it comes with a smart app that can connect it to the internet, which means you can monitor it from anywhere. But it also has a probe and, as you can see, the actual charger. And there is a screen on this charger that gives you all the stats that you need as well, which you can monitor from up to, I think, 300 feet or so. I don't have this one charged, but you can see there's a good display on there. So there's really, you can run this without an app if you prefer, which is how I did the test today. As you can see here, here's what it looks like. Sorry about the reflections, but you can see the different temperatures. And I just chose to shoot the cooking of some chicken. And so I threw 6 breasts on here. You see how I inserted the probe. And initially, this is what it shows. I have it set for a 165-degree internal temperature, and it will beep and tell you when to flip them over. And it will also monitor the ambient temperatures you could see on the screen earlier. Right now, it shows on my grill right at about 470 or so. Right here, it's showing 449. Once it gets to the correct temperature, it will beep, and you'll start hearing it'll beep and tell you when to actually take it off. But this thing works really well. They've stuck that meter up against my back door and was able to monitor it very easily, and it worked well. This is the very first time I used it, and my chicken came out great.